I need to get my GoPro to mount to this. And really, I don't even know if it needs to mount exactly. I might just be happy putting a plate here. Okay, so first I need to figure out what thread pitch that is. Going off of memory, I think that's 1/4 20. Bolt bin, what do you see? Do you see the thread pitch coming to me? Yeah, I think it nests. I think I'll get a longer bolt for that. That's a 1/4 inch diameter this way, 20 threads in 1 inch. Because it doesn't need to be big. I'm gonna make it real true for no reason. That was pretty good. Yeah, that'd be kind of cool because I can pan like. It goes pretty high. Yeah, that works pretty good. Yeah. Not bad. I like it. How shaky is it? How's that look? Stabilization on the camera might help. Nice.